Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make crunchy canned pickles using an easy method. First, choose fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. Wash them thoroughly and then soak them in an ice bath for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. After soaking, trim off both ends of the cucumbers and slice them into your desired shape, whether spears or chips. Next, let's prepare our pickling brine. Combine equal parts white vinegar and water, along with pickling salt and your favorite spices like mustard seeds and peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a boil. While the brine heats, sterilize your canning jars and lids by submerging them in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. Once sterilized, carefully remove the jars and add fresh dill sprigs, garlic cloves, and a pinch of pickling spice to the bottom of each. Now it's time to pack your jars. Tightly arrange the cucumber slices into the sterilized jars, ensuring they are packed snugly but not crushed. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, making sure to leave 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Remove any air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean and secure the lids in bands. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 15 minutes to seal them properly. After processing, let your pickles cool completely and then store them in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor and crunch, allow them to cure for at least 3 weeks before opening. This waiting period truly enhances their taste. Once opened, refrigerate any unused pickles. You'll have delicious, crunchy homemade pickles to enjoy for up to 1 year. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book on personal finance and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.